Hi everyone, it's Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel. Today is day 30 of the carnivore diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and 90 days vegan, and I'm going to see how the lifestyles affect my body. Do you see Jonathan? It's really late at night. I had 500 meetings today. It felt like it anyways. Just moving and shaking and hustling, and met a potential writer at a restaurant. So I need to hire people to help with my media brand. So I met with a writer, and she's awesome, and so I'm gonna hire her. But I had restaurant food, and it wasn't that well. It was okay, but I'll never go there again. I ordered ginger beef. We went to a Vietnamese restaurant. Um, yeah, and that kind of set me off for the rest of the day. I felt bloated after, because they have the coating on it. Like it's beef, but they had coating, like probably cornstarch, probably sauce, with sugar in it, and you know, wasn't part of the carnivore diet. And then later on, because there's absolutely nothing prepared, I had the rest of the ground beef with some salt and butter, and that's it. I have to get groceries tomorrow. Yeah, and do some food prep. So I'm out of eggs, I'm out of beef, I'm out of bacon. So I'm gonna do a haul. I'm also going to go to the doctor tomorrow. I forgot I had a doctor's appointment. So I'm going to get some blood work done and get all of my measurements, like weight and all that, documented. And once I get it back, I'll share it with you all and see what comes of it. Like, I'm a month in, so I don't know what my blood work was like in the beginning, because the appointment kept getting pushed back, but I just wanted to start the diet anyways. So, okay, so I'm gonna go to the doctor. I'm gonna go get groceries. I'm gonna go to a clothing launch party, so that'll be fun. I'll show you that too. But I'm so tired. It's such a long day, so I'm gonna head to bed, and I will talk to you tomorrow.